Hello and welcome to another video of Still My Workflow. Today, we're going to see how we can segmentate our customers with a quiz form that we can embed in our website, but also on our Notion page. We will assign them a lead score depending on their answers on the quiz, and lastly, we will redirect them to a personalized action that we want them to take depending on their answers. This also can be a product recommendation, a service recommendation, to imagine it. Then we'll add this information to a Notion database that we have for further analysis, to collect emails, etc. And then we will assign a tag for these leads, low, medium, and high, depending on their answers, and automate an email marketing campaign for them. This is the make flow that we are going to do today, and it starts with a tally form submission. So this is tally, and this is the form we are going to use. If we go to the edit button, you will see here that we can include some logic depending on the answers of the customer, but not only some logic that takes them to different pages that they will see. We can also include a calculation for a lead score and assign different values for this lead score depending on the answers. So this is as flexible as you want it. If you, for example, sell different products, if in your website, let's say you have clothes, you can take the customer through a personalized journey, asking them different questions, and then ending with a personalized thank you page that recommends them the exact product that they want. So in our case, if we see the form, it's a website, but also you can embed it into a Notion page, and your customers, if they go to your Notion page, they can answer and interact with the form directly on Notion. So if we look into our automation, this is watching for new responses, or is going to collect these responses into our Notion database. Then it's going to add differently, and you can complete this flow depending on the lead score. So if the lead score is +5, we will do different phases. And then if it's less than 5, it's just going to end there. But you could also continue this and even copy this flow, just changing maybe the email you want to send at the end. So I'm going to click on run once, and we are going to send our first tally response. So this is running, and I'm going to complete this. So let's say I just want to qualify leads that they want my services. So I'm going to select now product, and you will see that this one just takes me to a thank you page, so to a last page, and I'm just asking this person to subscribe to my newsletter, and that's it. So I can embed my newsletter welcome page here, and they can subscribe directly from here. Now you also see that I have here a submission. I know someone completed the form. I didn't ask for their email, so that's why this one is empty. And I know that the lead score was 0, but also that they selected product. The tag for this lead is a low one, and date is today. So that's what I get when someone's complete the products. You could ask more questions, redirect them to another page. This is totally customizable for you, so keep that in mind. And if we go to make, you will see that this was the flow that it took. So because our lead score here is 0, it took this way, and this is just what it did. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to run it again, and I'm going to do the complete flow of a lead that qualifies, and I want to take further action with them. I'm going to run it, and if you want, we can actually complete directly. So I'm going to say that I'm looking for services. Then you see it takes me to a different page. What type of services? I'm going to say I want a one-time project. I'm going to click next. What's my budget? I'm going to say this is my budget. And you see that I have a different page now. This is exactly the type of work I do. Please leave your email below before moving on because I want to collect this lead email for further action. So I write my email and look that now the thank you page is me asking for them to book a slot with me for a free discovery call. But not only that, I have now all the information in my Notion page where I also mark that this is a high value lead. And if we go to our flow, you see that it went through here, then the lead score was above 5, so it took this way. We have a slip that we didn't see, but we're going to see later what it does and why. Then it just looks for this information, and actually it took them through this flow and send them a message to this email, to my inbox. I will see an email. I should have an email, so let's go see it. And here I have it. I have an email, just one more step to boost your business. You saw that I didn't complete the workflow and I didn't book a discovery call. That's why this one is not marked. We're going to do it the other way later. But you see now that I have received an email. Hey, I see you want to boost your efficiency, and I am asking my prospect to book a free discovery call with me. Okay, and now we are going to do it the other way. So I'm going to complete the form, but I'm going to enter an email for which I already have a booked call in my CRM. So if I book a call now, it's going to create a contact on me on my Notion database, and that's the one that this one is looking for. So if I book a call, it will know that I have already booked a call because it will find this email in the contact databases. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete this with my other email. So I'm going to say, I'm going to run it, and I'm going to say services, one-time project, this one, and this is the other email. I'm going to click next, and now it's here, and you see that I have a slip that I can put up to 5 minutes that is waiting for me to book the call. I don't need to do that now, but it would give the customer time to book the call before moving on to the next steps. You can change this up to 5 minutes with it's I think 300 seconds. Now we have only 10 to make it easy for us, but you can increase this number if you need to. So now you see that I have this entry on my database with all the information, but I have a tick and I know that this lead, this prospect actually booked a call. So I'm going to send them a different email for them. Let's go see the email. And here we have it. This is the different email that we will send to those that actually booked a call on the last step with us. Hey, I've received your request and can confirm you our call soon. I'm looking forward to know more about your business and how I can help you best. Actually, this is super customizable and you can even go and include the meeting link, the hour, the time of the meeting, and anything you want about this meeting. You can attach a file if you want to. It's 100% customizable to your needs, so keep that in mind. And yeah, that's how we did it. So we actually collect all of the different answers here. We tag our customers, and even if you use an email marketing tool, you can, with this tag, you can send this tag and tag them on your email marketing tool and send the emails directly from there, more than one, and wait between different emails, etc. So this is super easy to embed also on your website. If you go to Tally and you go to share, here you can give form a custom domain, but you can also use the embed form to embed this into your website. So if I click on a standard, I get a code and I just have to copy and paste this iframe into my website, and I will have this embedded in my own website. So it's easy. You just need to think also, this one is a little bit tricky. Think about all the different logics you want to include depending on the answers of the customer. But once you have this ready for you, then it's a super personalized experience for your e-commerce site, services site, coaching site, whatever you have. And then it's good because you also collect some answers and you are able to add on them in the future as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments if you have any questions. See you soon.